are at Disney's Pop Century Resort. I'm going to take you on a full room tour and then I'm going to show you a little bit of the grounds. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Stanley and this is Stanley of the Seas. Here is a walkthrough of Pop Century 4143 of the 4 buildings. So this is the first floor of the 4th building. You've got the Alexa Mickey.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm excited
Look at
to
that.
introduce you to our
Okay, so this is the
I'll show you some of the
well-known pull-down beds
more magic
that are super cool.
plus some tips to help
This is the second bed, and I'll show that in one moment once I move the chair. So most people just leave this down the whole time. It's easier, but that is the second bed. Those are the beds that are in Wilderness now, the new Wilderness Lodge that Disney's just added to. Looks like we have a layout. Maybe. Nope. Alright. Let's see if we can find some hidden Mickeys, but in any event, you have 2 plugs, 2 USBs on each side of the bed. You have a coffee machine. You have good old Joffrey's coffee. Nice little shelf. You have your refrigerator. You've got your bureau here with 2 more plugs, 2 more USBs, and 2 more plugs and 2 more USBs. You have a safe and some wooden drawers, 3 of them, pretty much plenty of space. This is a connecting room, as you see here. Can't hear anything. TV, 42-inch TV. And the typical sliding door for the bathroom. And bathroom with hanging. It's your hanging closet. This actually is a little different. The ironing board here. This is the mirror, the hairdryer, and your iron. Shelves up there. There's a beauty mirror here. Sink. And then just like on Disney Cruises, here's your pull-out drawer, toilet, and this is a bathtub, not just a stand-up, with 2 shower heads, and your H2O, now rebranded just regular Disney Resorts soaps. And that is pretty much it. And so here's one more look at the room. After this room tour, I'm going to do a walk around of Pop Century a little bit, the pool area and the cafeteria, and then a little bit of the merch. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's a new channel. There's a lot of Disney content and cruise content. It might just rain. I kind of feel like we live here. You?
What?
Kind of feel like we live here.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Hi, squirrel.
I don't know where to go.
You're gonna go straight through? Yeah, straight through the hall. I want to check the cups too to see if they changed them. I don't think they did. I'm not getting another cup if they didn't change them. So let's go through that door right there. The view is always stunning. Here we have a full bar, which is a drink bar, alcohol, frozen drinks, and then this little booth is always here, which is henna and airbrush tattoos, some hair things. And just as you walk up, you have recreation. For kids. They have a campfire. Pretty cool every night. And they do have movies every single night on the big screen. And as you come around, this is the cafeteria. And this is the cafeteria. So when you walk in, you're going to see that there are all these self-service stations for drinks. There are places to return your stuff. And generally speaking, so we're obviously here for breakfast. You've got places that have Mickey waffles, pancakes, hash browns, bacon, sausage gravy, scrambled eggs, hash browns, but mention those. Every single one of these stands has exactly the same stuff. So, yeah, I don't understand why one line has 15 people in it and another line has none. They all have the exact same thing. People can be odd. So these are all the self-service. They do have wine, champagne, they have beer, if you want to buy beer. Truly, all the soda products. The coolest thing are the pastries, really. I mean, some of these pastries are, looks like they'll automatically cause you a heart attack. God forbid, but are really good. Muffins, cheese Danish, cakes. Then you got like the cheesecake, banana cupcakes, and then I don't know what that is. Some type of pudding. Right here, and then more cupcakes, Mickey cupcakes, and they say they have a lemon blueberry cheesecake there. And then last but not least, actually, you got your overnight oats. They love their overnight oats. And then you've got fruit, fresh cut fruit, grapes, salads, sandwiches to go, all sorts of sandwiches to go. Italian stuff, Mediterranean curry chicken pie salad, Greek salad with chicken, and then juices. That's about it. Okay. One thing I do know of, these are the reusable cups we usually get. We didn't get one this year. Is that they have this new partake Disney's carrying, vegan and gluten-free cookies. Now, I have not tried those. Come over here also, we have some donut holes that you can pick up chocolate on them. And of course your Mickey bars, Mickey sandwiches. So you can just use a regular card to purchase, or you can put it on your room. Either way. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's check out the check these out, Skyliners.
Oh, that's cute.
How adorable, right? They are $22.99. Let me just poke quickly. Look at this, a whole monorail. $99.99. These are some Spirit jerseys that are exactly unpriced. They're probably $89.99. If I were to guess. Yeah, they don't have a price. These are not Corksicle though. Pop Century, $24.99. Cute. No, I'm gonna go over now. I actually love. Are they? Are they ugly? They're too. It's too small anyway. Huh? You know, we. Oh, I do love those. There's the Corksicles. Oh, do you see these lounge flies? This is an up lounge fly, and it is $78. They're a little twinkly. There's another, just a plain old Mickey Mouse lounge fly, and it's $78. Hey, look at these. These are new. And they are, how much? It doesn't say. Oh, $34.99.